Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Naumai Park. So this is in Hawera, Taranaki, New Zealand. So the park is a quiet park right now kasi weekday, but during the weekend very busy to. But what's good about the park is that it's very solemn and peaceful. So nakaka-relax. So just by walking here, you could see it's by para siyang lake or a small stream of pond na pwede mong ikutan. Siguro it's a 10-minute walk. Tapos meron din siyang stream na umabagsak papunta dito. So makikita nyo marami rin siyang mga lotus na halaman na tumutubo. Yan yung water, parang small waterfalls na pumupunta dito sa pond na to. So sa pond na yan, marami kang makikitang ducks, meron din mga isda. Malinaw yung tubig, malinis siya. Marami ring vegetation along the surrounding area kaya maganda. So yung hangin fresh, oxygen wise marami kang malalanghap na oxygen dito. At marami siyang walkway na pwede mong daanan. So Naumai Park here in Taranaki. So visit it and just relax, have peace of mind, and it's a good bonding or connecting with nature. Maganda yung lugar, and get some exercise as well for a healthy heart. So walking daw is very good for our metabolism, making sure yung pagkain bumababa. So walking ka na, may nakikita ka pang view. So magandang combination, di ba? Ayun lang, experience New Zealand. Maganda talaga yung lugar. Safe. They don't have security guards. Diba? Kaya very safe talaga siya. Have a nice day.